If you're watching this video, you have a carousel autoloader by Ultra Clean. With your autoloader, it is vitally important to keep it clean. Keeping the autoloader clean will prevent double loads and misfires, and I want to show you now how to clean your autoloader. We supply with your autoloader a Swiffer and a can of static guard. You want to take the static guard, spray your Swiffer, and there's 5 parts of the autoloader to clean. You want to open the lid of the hopper box, and when it's empty, clean the inside, like so. This will not only clean any dust, it will also remove static electricity. Second, you want to remove your hopper box, set it on end, and clean the bottom, like so. Third, you want to clean the top of the motor plate, and you want to take your Swiffer and put it down inside of the projectile drop chute and remove. And lastly, we're going to remove the nozzle by opening up the locking ring, take the Swiffer, insert it inside all the way, turn it, and bring it out. That will remove any dust and also kill the static electricity. Keep your system clean to ensure no double loads and no misfires. A clean system will last much longer and perform much better than a contaminated system.